The private virtual currencies or the VVA markets rebounded on Thursday as investors absorbed the US CPI data, which came in cooler than expected at 5%. Bitcoin traded about $30,000 crucial level, while Ethereum inched towards the $2,000 mark. With the release of minutes from the March Federal Open Market Committee meeting, traders' sentiment turned in the mid-half of the day. The recent banking crisis is one of the factors that Fed believes could lead to a recession later this year. ICE 15 index for cryptocurrency was trading up by 1% at 40,300 points. So if you talk about the US latest inflation data that coincides with the shifts in whale or larger investor activity and unveiling of the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, the digital asset space is witnessing return of volume following the two major events for the week, which is the CPI data and much awaited Shanghai upgrade. And in another interesting news, according to a statement made by Binance, users who staked Ether on exchange will be able to redeem coins with BETH holdings at a 1:1 ratio starting April 19th. The statement was made just hours after Ethereum completed the eagerly awaited Shanghai upgrade, also known as a Chapel hard fork, allowing, which is for the validators, that withdrawal for more than 18 million Ethereum that had been staked in the blockchain since the 2020. And please remember, it also includes the 1.1 million rewarded Ethereums as well. So in total, 19.1 million. Investors' focus will now shift to wholesale inflation data, with the Producers Price Index report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which are due later in the day. Weekly jobless claims are also due at the time. Analysts expect the jobless claims to come at around 232,000 versus previous month's data of 228,000. However, initial jobless claims could increase modestly to support a hawkish policy outlook. And if we talk about the overall investor sentiment, investors will also monitor Fed chatter on the monetary policy and the US economy. And futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were little changed as investors weighed a recession risk following the latest meeting minutes from the Federal Reserves. Dow Jones futures were trading flat, while the futures related to the S&P 500 ticked higher by mere 0.06%. Nasdaq 100 futures were also trading flat to positive at 0.11% higher. Bitcoin was currently trading at $30,250, up 1%. So in recent times, Bitcoin has shown an interesting price performance, pushing the levels past $30,000 mark and marking an almost 80% gains since 2023. And according to the strategist of the Bank of America Corporation, a net 368 million of the Bitcoin was sent to a personal wallet in the week through April 4th. Notably, this is the period that witnessed the year's second largest net Bitcoin outflow from the crypto exchanges. Please keep an eye on this. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 6.3%, trading at $1,990. So Ethereum hovered around the $2,000 mark after the most awaited Shanghai hard fork, also known as Chapela, was completed at 22:27 UTC and finalized at around the same time. The upgrade enabled withdrawals for users who have staked their Ethereum to secure and validate transactions on the blockchain. Roughly half an hour after the Shanghai upgrade was activated, some 285 withdrawals in Epoch 1,94,408 has been processed for about 5,413 Ethereum, which is roughly around $10 million, according to a report. If we talk about other altcoins, Binance BNB was up by 1.6%, was trading at $324. Solana Sol was up by 3% at $24.1. Cardano's ADA token was up by 5% at $0.41. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $18.7, higher by 4.3%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3.6% at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was higher by 6.5% at $0.087. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, was trading up by 3%. And if we talk about Shiba Inu, an increase in total value lock recently caused the price of Bong token, a component of Shiba Inu ecosystem, to jump by around 6.2%. So its expansion might be a sign of Shiba Inu's ecosystem's broader comeback. That's what analysts have said. Next on the list was Ripple's XRP token, was trading at $0.51, up by 1.5%. Polkadot was up by 3.2% at $6.5. So that's all there is in today's Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching this special episode on the markets for more updates. Thank you.
Ethereum's Shanghai hard fork, also referred to as Shapela, has been finalized, enabling withdrawals for users who have staked their Ether to secure and validate transactions on the blockchain. The Shanghai upgrade was triggered at 22:27 UTC and finalized at about 22:42 UTC. Roughly half an hour after the Shanghai upgrade was activated, some 285 withdrawals in Epoch 194-408 had been processed for about 5,413 ETH, which is about $10 million, according to beaconchar.in. The price of ETH remained largely flat at the time the Shanghai hard fork was triggered, while about 4,000 people tuned into Shapela mainnet watch party hosted by Ethereum cat herders. At the live stream, Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of the Ethereum blockchain, said that we are in a stage where the hardest and fastest part of the Ethereum protocol's transition are basically over. Very significant things still need to be done, but those very significant things can be safely done at a slower pace. While analysts from traditional banks remained mixed on the market impact of Ether after the much-awaited Shanghai upgrade today, an on-chain report from Glassnode estimates at least $300 million worth of selling pressure. We estimate a total of 170,000 ETH intended to be sold after the Shanghai upgrade, Glassnode said in a report citing on-chain data. We project that only 100,000 ETH worth $190 million of the total accumulated rewards will be withdrawn and sold. Glassnode said the estimate was made based on a 50% withdrawal credential update, our segmentation of depositors and assumptions regarding investor conviction and profitability by using wallet behavior, period of staking, and presence of liquid staking derivative products such as Lido. But bulls may have little reason to fear, as the selling pressure is likely to be absorbed quickly and have a smaller overall impact on Ether prices. Banks such as JP Morgan say Ether will likely face some selling pressure from the upgrade as more than 1 million Ether staking rewards become instantly available this week. Singapore-based crypto options trading giant QCP Capital expects a deeper decline in the Ether-Bitcoin ratio following the impending Shapela hard fork dubbed Shanghai upgrade. ETH BTC has broken through the key support level of 0.658 and can potentially head back to 0.0553 as continued and sustained spot selling pressure in thin markets for days after Shapela leads to further bearish price action on ETH, said QCP Capital's Market Insights team. The ETH BTC ratio has declined 13.7% this year amid lingering fears that investors will rush to liquidate coins after Shapela opens withdrawals of staked Ether. According to some analysts, the selling pressure will be distributed over several days, allowing buyers to absorb selling pressure and keep prices steady. QCP suggests otherwise. We fail to see what the bullish case can be for this event, as those at the front of the queue in withdrawals are likely to sell spot, while those further back will be hedging via perps futures if they have not already done so, QCP noted. In the upcoming segment, we will update you about the following news. Elon Musk reportedly buys thousands of GPUs for Twitter AI project. Bruce Lee enters Web3 starting with open edition NFT form People Pleaser. Bitcoin miner Bitdeer expected to finally go public this Friday. Stay tuned for more updates. We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.